Alpilean Honest Scientific Non-Bias Review, a revolutionary weight loss solution. In these challenging times, the pandemic has affected our lives significantly, impacting mental health due to extended indoor confinement. However, amidst these difficulties, Alpilean has emerged as a groundbreaking weight loss supplement, offering hope and anticipation to many. Alpilean sets itself apart with its unique blend of natural nutrients and herbs sourced exclusively from the pristine Alps, providing a distinct aspect to the product. The fact that it is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility and registered with the FDA further ensures consumer safety and adherence to high-quality standards. One of the most significant advantages of Alpilean is its focus on addressing low core body temperature, which has been linked to obesity and weight management issues. By targeting this issue, Alpilean aids the body in repairing underlying problems, promoting faster recovery, and supporting healthy weight management. The core ingredients of Alpilean have been carefully selected for their traditional medicinal use and specific roles within the formulation. These ingredients, like turmeric, fucocoxanthin, ginger, deca nut, citrus bioflavonoids, and moringa, have been combined to offer multiple benefits, including weight loss, fat burning, digestive health support, heart health support, and more. With its unique approach, natural ingredients, and focus on holistic well-being, Alpilean is indeed a promising weight loss supplement that has gained popularity among users worldwide. If you're looking for a reliable and effective weight reduction solution, Alpilean might just be the answer you've been searching for. Purchase it from the official link in the description below to ensure authenticity and availability of the special pricing while it lasts. Start your journey towards a healthier and fitter you with Alpilean. Another positive aspect of Alpilean is its pricing packages, currently featuring discounted rates, making it a cost-effective option for individuals seeking a weight management solution. Moreover, the 60-day money-back guarantee ensures that customers can try the product risk-free and request a refund if it doesn't meet their expectations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.